My stomach hurts so much! Ouch, this really hurts. What is happening to me? I feel so sick right now.
Leo, are you okay?
No, Mia, it really hurts.
I'll go get Mom and Dad. Just wait, I'm coming.
I can't fall asleep tonight. My tummy feels so empty.
Just go to sleep.
I am really hungry, Mia. I'm going to get a snack. Don't wake Mom and Dad. I'll be quiet, I promise. Okay, be careful, Leo. Shh, I must be quiet. I don't want to wake anyone. Almost at the kitchen now. My tummy is growling loudly. Wow, look at all that food! A hot dog and a burger? It smells so good already. This looks really, really tasty. I will eat just a little. Maybe I can try both. No one will even notice. Let's start eating right now. This hot dog is amazing. So much ketchup and mustard. I really love this taste. One more big bite now. The hot dog is all gone. Now for the burger too. I still have room, I think. Let's try the burger now. This burger has so much sauce. It's getting on my hands. I don't even care now. This is the best snack. I feel really full now. A hot dog and a burger? But it tastes so good still. Just a little bit more. Wow, both plates are empty. I ate a hot dog and burger. My tummy feels really full. That was so much food. No one saw me at all. My secret snack was perfect. Now back to bed quietly. Sweet dreams, little tummy. Did you get your snack, Leo? Yes, it was really good. Okay, good night then, Leo. Good night, Mia. Sleep well. My tummy feels strange. Maybe I just need sleep. I'll try to close my eyes. I hope it goes away soon. Leo, why are you moving so much? My stomach feels a bit tight. That doesn't sound good, Leo. I keep turning side to side. Ouch, that pinched a little. My tummy really hurts now. I ate way too much food. It's getting worse and worse. Leo, this looks really bad. It hurts so much, Mia. I'm getting Mom and Dad now. Stay here, I'll be quick. Mom, Dad, wake up, please. Leo's stomach hurts so badly. Please come quickly, hurry. Something is really wrong. My stomach hurts so much. Please help me, it hurts. It hurts so much, please. Mom, Dad, please hurry. Leo, what's wrong, sweetie?
We're here now, buddy.
My stomach hurts so bad. Show me where it hurts. I ate a hot dog and burger. At midnight, in the kitchen. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have. I'm really sorry, Mom and Dad.
We should see a doctor now.
Yes, better to be safe. Is Leo going to be okay? The doctor will help him, Mia. The doctor will see you soon. I'm a little scared, Mom.
It's okay to feel scared.
We are right here with you. Hello, Leo. Let me listen carefully. Will this hurt, doctor? No, this will not hurt. Take a slow, deep breath. Leo just ate too much food. His stomach needs some rest. So he will be okay, doctor? Yes, he will feel better soon. Eat slowly and not too much.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you, Dr. Patel. You're welcome. Feel better, Leo. Feeling all better this morning? Yes, Mia, so much better. Eating too much can hurt us. I learned that the hard way. Have you ever eaten too much? What happened after that time?
Tell us your story below.
We really want to know. Like, share, and subscribe, friends. Thanks for watching with us. Bye-bye, everyone. Eat well.
See you next time, friends.
It's shaking! I'm scared!
Hold on tight, everyone.
Stay close to me, kids.
The lights are flickering too! I don't want to fall. Is the elevator broken now? I'm holding the gift so tight.
Stay close to me, Mia. Stay calm, everyone. Breathe slowly. We are safe right now.
Okay, Mom. I'll stay calm. I'll try to stay calm too. Today is Ava's birthday party!
I can't wait to go.
We need to get the gift ready.
Wow, let's wrap it together, Mia. This bow looks really nice.
Ava will love this gift.
I hope she likes the color.
She loves yellow, just like this.
The party starts in 1 hour. Let's get ready quickly, kids.
I'm getting dressed right now.
Great. We don't want to be late.
I want to wear my best shirt. This one looks perfect for a party. I'm so excited for today. I hope Ava likes my outfit.
Let's walk fast to the building.
I'm holding the gift carefully. This is going to be so fun.
Yes, it will be a great party.
This building is so tall. Ava lives on a high floor.
Oh.
Let's take the elevator. I love riding elevators. I'll press the button, Mom. I hope it comes quickly.
It should be here soon.
There it is! It's coming! Let's go, all of us.
I'll press the floor number button.
The 12th floor, right, Mia?
Yes, Mom, the 12th floor, exactly.
Floor 12, here we come! The doors are closing now. I can't wait for the party. This is gonna be fun.
We're going up so smoothly.
Floor 5, floor 6 now.
Almost halfway there, kids.
I'm so excited to arrive.
Whoa! Why did we stop?
That felt really sudden.
Everyone hold on, please.
Are we stuck between floors?
The lights keep flickering, Mom. Why is this happening now? I hope we're okay in here.
It should be fine, sweetie.
I'll try calling the emergency number. Let's see if anyone answers. Please answer, please answer.
I hope someone answers soon.
No one is answering yet. Let's stay patient a little longer. Help will come soon, I hope.
We can wait, Mom. It's okay. Is the present still okay? I hope we're not too late. We can't miss the party.
Too late. What if we miss the party? Ava is waiting for us.
We will get there, Mia. Let's sit down and stay calm. Getting help takes just a little time.
Okay, Mom, I'll try to relax.
That's my brave girl.
Sitting down feels a bit better.
I'm breathing slowly like Mom said.
Great job, both of you.
Let's stay calm together, Mia.
Let me try calling again. Hello? Can anyone hear me? Please, we need some help.
Come on, someone answer.
Yes, we hear you. We're stuck.
Someone answered. That's great news.
Help is finally on the way.
Thank you so much. We'll wait.
Now we just need to wait.
I hope it doesn't take long.
We can wait together, calmly.
Together, we can handle this. It's been a while now. I wonder how much time passed. I hope help comes soon.
I wonder too, Leo. The party might start without us. I really don't want to miss it. This is so frustrating right now.
I understand, Mia. Me too. Don't worry, Mia. We'll make it.
I hope you're right, Leo.
Ava will understand if we're late.
Thanks for staying calm with me.
Let's play a guessing game.
Yes, that sounds really fun. Okay, I want to play too.
Great! I'm thinking of an animal.
Is it an elephant, Mom?
Nope, guess again, Leo.
Is it a giraffe? So tall?
Yes! Mia guessed it right!
Did you hear that squeak?
Yes, it startled me.
I hope it's normal. Let's stay calm, like Mom said.
Mom, will we miss the whole party? I really don't want to miss it. Please tell me we'll make it.
I hope so too, Leo.
Did you hear that loud sound?
I see a little light coming in.
We're really getting out now.
Almost free, everyone. Stay ready.
Did you hear that loud sound?
I see a little light coming in.
We're really getting out now.
Almost free, everyone. Stay ready. Hello there. Let's get you out.
Thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate your help. We're safe now.
That's great.
Oh, good side. Oh, bring down lunch here.
Down my grazing spender.
Why? Ritty party.
Here we are, finally!
I'm knocking on the door. I hear music inside already.
Let's see everyone's happy faces.
You made it! I'm so happy. Sorry we're a little late, Ava. It's okay. Come in, everyone. Happy birthday, my dear friend.
Wow, this party looks amazing.
So many balloons and decorations.
This looks like so much fun. Let's enjoy this special day. Here's your birthday gift, Ava. Thank you so much, Mia. I hope you really like it. I already love it, I'm sure. Oh, wow, I love this so much. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you, Mia and Leo. I'm so happy right now. I was a little worried you'd miss it. Our elevator got stuck for a while. Oh no, I'm glad you're safe now. Me too. Let's have fun today. Let's play a treasure hunt game. Yes! I love treasure hunts. What are we looking for, Ava? Find the hidden golden star. I'm checking behind the curtains. I'm looking under the table. Nothing here yet. Keep looking. Let's search near the sofa. Wait, I see something golden. It's under this cushion here. I think I found the star. This is so exciting. I found the golden star. Great job, Mia. Well done. You win the treasure hunt. That was such a fun game. Whoa, that balloon just popped. That surprised me so much. Ha, that was a funny sound. It made me jump a little. Let's pick up the pieces together. That was actually pretty funny.
Balloons can be so surprising.
Okay, let's get the cake ready.
The cake looks so delicious.
Look at all those candles.
Time to sing, everyone. Gather around the table, kids.
To you. Happy birthday to you, Ava. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wonderful wish, Ava.
I'm making a wish now. Here I go, blowing them out. Yay, I did it! Thank you. That's a good wish. Lomea, a flower crescent. Gloire starred. I'll thank you.
This cake is so delicious. I love the sweet frosting. Best birthday cake ever, Ava. Thank you for this, Ava.
Now let's dance, everyone!
Yes, I love dancing to music.
This song is so much fun. Let's all dance together now.
Watch this silly move, everyone. I'm wiggling like a noodle. This dance is so much fun. I'm having so much fun.
Why culcho?
More no jaw, and dead.
Let's take a group photo, everyone.
Great idea. Gather close, kids.
Yes! A photo to remember today.
Everyone squeeze in together.
Thank you all for celebrating with me.
Thank you for having us, Ava.
It was truly a wonderful party.
Happy birthday again, dear Ava.
Like, share, and subscribe, friends. More adventures are coming soon. Thanks for celebrating with us today. See you next time, everyone.